Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing in AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD. We are using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. First go to the new. For easy explanation, I am going to keep the drawing file left side and software in the right side. Now we have opened it. Before start drawing any drawing, first do the units. Check the units. Default it is in inches, but our dimension are in mm. So here choose decimal. Here one decimal we need to set as a precision. So 1 decimal. Then here you choose into millimeter. Say OK. Now we have set the units. Then go for limits. So we need to choose paper size bigger than the drawing. The first limit is 0, 0, enter. Then second limit is just specify 100, 100. Then jerk, enter, A, enter. Now we have set the sheet. Then we can go for drawing. We can start from any point to drawing. In this model, I am going to start from this point. So go for line. We can take a line from here also. Instead, just type L, enter. I am just starting from here. It is coming as inclined line. Switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. This length is 82.5. Then height is 22.5. This length they are not provided, instead they provided an angle. For that, switch off the ortho mode first, just F8. Now they have provided the angle of 27. So 90 plus 27 we need to do, that is 117. So for that, just tab it, 117. Just enter. Then right click, cancel. This distance they are not provided. For that, start the line from here. Just switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. The vertical height is 60. Then just go for horizontal line. Just cancel. Now just remove the unwanted extra edges by using a trim tool. Just type TR, enter. Just remove it. Now we have finished the outer sketch. Then go for escape again. Now we came out from the previous command. Now we'll draw these 3 circles. First we need to find the center. Center is 37.5 from y-axis and 15 from the x-axis. So for that, just take a line again, L, enter. From the x-axis the distance is 37.5, just enter. And here it is 15. Right click, cancel. Now we have found this center point. Then go for circle, C, enter. This is the point. And the diameter of the circle is 15. So D, enter. Then 15, enter. Then we need to create this circle. For that, the center is same, 45 and 22.5. Then again go for L, enter. From this point, which is 45. And here 22.5. Right click, cancel. Then again go for C, enter. The inside circle diameter is 15. So D, enter. Then 15, enter. Then again go for enter. Specify the center point. And again go for D, enter. The diameter is 30. So 30, enter. Now we have created all the sketch. Now just remove the unwanted edges. Just select the line. Press the delete button. Again here we have one more line. Select the line. Delete it. Here also select this line. Delete it. And select this line. Delete it. Now we have finished the complete sketch. Then we can increase the thickness by just click here and click here. Then go for here, increase the thickness to 0.35, switch on this line width. Now we can able to see the thickness. Now just specify the dimension. Before that we can specify this center mark. Just type CM, enter, outer circle, similarly this circle. Then escape. Now we can specify the dimension one by one. First go for linear dimension from this point to this point, which is 60. Here you can be able to see the dimension size is coming very small. For that, to increase the dimension size, just type dim style, enter, modify, symbols and arrow make it 4, text also make it 4, primary units make it 1 decimal, say OK, then close it. Now specify other dimension one by one. The center distance from here to here is 37.5. Just increase this into little here. This also just increase here. Then escape. Now the size is a little more, so reduce the size by using a dim style. Go to modify, symbols and arrow. Here make it 3. Text also make it 3. Primary units same 0.0. Say OK and close it. Now just go for the linear dimension again. From here to here, which is 22.5. And again go for linear dimension. From here to here, 15. Again go for linear dimension. From here to here, which is 30. Now specify the full edge dimension, which is 82.5. Then again go for linear dimension. This one is 22.5. And this angle, for that just go for here, angular. Select this line. Select this line. This angle is 27. Then finally we need to define this diameter. For that just go here, choose diameter, select this one. The diameter is 30. And again go for diameter, select this one. This is 50. Again go for here, this dimension is 50. That's it. Just press the escape. Now we have finished this model. If you want to move this model, just simply select complete diagram. Just choose move. First it is asking for base point. Just click somewhere and switch off this ortho mode. You can easily able to move. Just place it here. That's it. Now we have finished this complete model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.